Hey, we're coming to you from Ice Institute 2023, and right now we're looking at some of the K-Drill things. And this is a great little display. I'm going to bring you guys in a little closer now. First off, they've got 3 different size drills, and these can be powered with your cordless drill. You've got to have a pretty good cordless drill, but they can be powered with the cordless drill. We've done different tests. I'll put a link in the description below showing running the K-Drill with a variety of different cordless drills, from 18 volt to 20 volt, Ryobi, DeWalt, Craftsman. But we've got a 6.5, a 7.5, and an 8.5 inch diameter. All 3 are available, and they can all be powered by the same type of drills. Obviously, the bigger one's going to definitely need to have one of the higher, whether it's Milwaukee or DeWalt. So you want to make sure you've got, of course, the larger drill for running the bigger ones, which would be one of the larger Milwaukee in their fuel series, or the big DeWalt can handle the big 8.5 inch. The smaller ones you can use a variety successfully. Now, here's what I wanted to show you is that one of the nice things about it is that they've got a very aggressive blade, and you can replace them if you need. They've got replacement blades for the different sizes and such, and of course you can get these sharpened and taken care of. We've got a few more accessories out here. We're looking right next to it here. This little accessory looks kind of nothing special, but what this will allow us to do is, I'm going to take you back that way, Michael. We're going to come back to this blue plate. This is the clam plate where you can mount your drill in here and use the plate as basically your handles for running the drill. So it's more like an ice auger head. In order to do that, you need to have that little piece, a little pipe, and that little pipe is right here. So they have the accessory pipe there. There's, of course, extensions. I had to add an extension onto my auger. I actually have 2 of the extensions because the one year we had so much ice in central Minnesota, I had to use one, and I was just about to the end of the extension, so I had purchased one more in case I needed it, but I didn't quite need it. So there's the extensions. There's a 12-inch extension, which is what I have, 2 of those, or I could have just gotten an 18-inch extension, but I don't think it was available at that time. And then, of course, they've got the K-Drill. They've got the new caps if you happen to break one of those. So there's different pieces and such you can go to make sure that your drill is going to stay in shape and be ready to go for the upcoming season, whether it's in sharp blades, new blades, whatever you need, they're going to be there. So K-Drill, I'll put that link in the description below so you can check it out. And we're coming to you from the Ice Institute here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota.